Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to create a basic blog on WordPress, updated. Sign up for hosting and choose a domain name, then install WordPress with one click. Pick a clean theme and configure basic settings like permalink structure, site title, and reading options. Create categories, add your first post with images and a featured image, then preview and publish. I'll guide you step by step with simple examples and friendly tips. Now we'll refine the look and tools for your blog in a friendly, low-stress way. Start by customizing your chosen theme and adjusting colors, fonts, and layout. Add plugins for SEO, caching, backups, and anti-spam to protect and speed up your site. Configure navigation menus and widgets to guide readers to important pages. I'll explain plugin choices, show simple settings, and recommend easy tweaks you can make right away. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more tutorials you enjoy. Quick recommendation: Automobile Life's Too Short for a Stinky Car, Grab Little Trees Black Ice. I've linked it in the description along with other deals and useful resources. Take a moment to check those links if you want, then come right back, and now let's get back to the video. Next, we focus on writing and publishing content that attracts readers and keeps them engaged. Draft posts with a strong headline, clear introduction, helpful subheadings, and relevant images. Add categories and tags to organize your site, then optimize metadata and use internal links to boost navigation. Preview each post on desktop and mobile, correct formatting, and schedule or publish when ready. I'll share practical tips to make your posts look professional and inviting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.